Let me pour some more. Go, go, go. Y'all hear that? I feel so much love towards all of y'all right now. Here we go. To me, this is a lot, baby. And guess what? I'm finna do? Eat. Okay, so hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaden, aka Baby J, for those who are new here, and if you ain't new, you already know the deal. I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing a really fun video, a different video than I've ever done on my channel before, because I'm trying to branch out. I'm trying to do new things. I'm trying to be open-minded, okay? I'm trying to be new, Jaden, new, okay? So today I will be doing a get ready with me, tipsy, drunk, gone, cause like why not? Let me show you what I'm drinking, baby. This reminds me of college. Me and my friends used to be out on this all day every day. I'm gonna start my eyebrows because that's the hardest thing, and they're thick. I have not had them done in a really long time. I'm gonna start sipping. My my wine glass broke today, actually. I'm gonna be using my little glass. It's cute or whatever. My wine glass was so cute, y'all, and it broke. I'm sad. But sure, let's get started. If you want to drink with me, pull out the drink and let's get it. Let's get into it. Let's get it. Do you hear that?
2 shots of vodka.
Yum yum. Okay, yes ma'am. It's giving me college. It's giving me I have class in the morning. It's giving I'm a broke college student and I don't have no money. Good. Oh, that belly burning already. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. They're thicker than life. That's ghetto. My dog's barking. I'm just gonna ignore it. So ghetto. Hold up. I had my eyebrows done so long that I'm kind of getting used to them not being done. Y'all, I'm such a lightweight. I gotta hurry up and do this because once that wine hit me, I am going to be gone. I am not a drinker, y'all. Do not do good with alcohol. I'm little. It goes straight through me. It really does. I'm real lightweight, y'all. Like, hold up. This is so tasty.
It's your bullshit.
Ooh, y'all, I'm feeling it. Ooh, we gotta hurry up or I'm not gonna be able to do this. Ow. Okay. Hold on, I gotta be quiet when I do this. With the Parkers. That's all I've been watching. Shout out to Netflix. Let me tell y'all something. It feels so good to see black people on TV. Like, there's not a lot of black shows like the Parkers, Moesha, Girlfriend. It's not a lot of shows like that anymore. And the fact that they put it on Netflix, it just makes me feel so good. It's so nostalgic. Them is my shows. I used to watch them with my mama. And I used to try to sneak watch Sex and the City too. Even though that's not a black show, but still. You know, I wasn't that slick. I would just be in there like dun 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 dun. And because she was making me watch all of these shows, even though she didn't know I was really paying attention like that, now I am bougie and I feel like life should be bougie forever. Ooh, alcohol. Going through me. It's going through me. Tastes like student loans. Sally Mae. But we used to be in school bored, not having nothing to do. We hit the store up like, fuck it. Let's drink. It's starting to hit. It's starting to hit. We gotta go. We on the clock. Ah. That's the second time, y'all. I got bit up. Where'd they go? What is it that makes you sober or not sober? Your bladder? I don't know. Send me back to school. Send me back to college. It's hot. It's hot. I'm starting to sweat. One more. Ow! Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Gotta get it together. Bring my mirror closer so I can get this done. Okay. I gotta be quiet for this part. Hold on. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I don't know if y'all could tell. And the thing about me is, off anything, I start moving slower. Hard for me to do anything, think about what I'm doing. Oh my god, I'm trying so bad, y'all. Usually my eyebrows look better than this. Ooh, I'm burping. I'm sorry, that's ugly. Yo, thinking about college, because this alcohol really making me think about college. PWI. I enjoyed my college experience, but I don't know if I could go back. I don't know if I'd go to a PWI. I had so many problems in college, especially because I was black. Like, it's so crazy. Like, racism is so just utterly ridiculous to me. Like, no offense to the white people, but all offense, y'all need to learn manners. Y'all need to get it together, because all of those insensitive questions, the things that these people at these PWIs used to do, I just used to be like, you lucky we not in the hood, because if we was, I would really rock your shit every single day of your life. Ain't no problem. Ain't no problem.
I think we need to move Lonzo. That ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem. Well,
y'all need to gain more awareness. I'm so serious. Like, I'm talking to everybody who don't got self-awareness, awareness of other people. Gain some self-awareness, because that's not cute and it's not funny. And if I smack you in the face, I don't think you would think it would be funny. Oh, alcohol make me want to fight. Fight, get out of here. What's wrong with you? Oh, it's running through me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this. Fuck it, we going for it. I'm having a great time with y'all. It smacked me in the face. Like, we're there. Oh wait, I had to put this back on because girl, the edges was lifting. Oh. Y'all, I'm one of them annoying drunk people that laugh at everything. Like, this not even funny, but it is. Okay, I need to slow down. Take a chill pill. Alcohol make y'all sweat? Because it makes me sweat. It makes me sweat. Why am I angry? Okay, I have to finish this. I have to finish this. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is put on some what am I doing next? Bitch, how you put on makeup? What do I do? Usually, I think I be putting on powder. I have no clue where it is, so guess what? I'm not gonna look for it. So what I'm gonna do is put on some foundation. I'm pretty sure most of the black people in my comments, I'm asking y'all this question. How did you feel about going to a PWI? Did you really enjoy yourself, or were you there like, man, maybe I should have went to a historically black college? Like, I know I thought that a couple of times. I don't hate my college. I think I just don't like the state of Arizona. That's why I went to college at. Almost got caught a whole case in Arizona. Let me tell you all that. Over some tweed. Over some tweed. If y'all want that story time, let me know down in the comment section below, because I definitely will give it to y'all. Because honestly and truly, ooh, thinking about that story pisses me off. Makes me so mad. Just know Arizona had me messed up. Y'all, okay, I did that really fast because, girl, I'm not trying to. It's hot. I'm dying. All these lights I got on. Okay, even. Or is it not? Is it not? Y'all gotta tell me. I put on some powder. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm not telling y'all the products. Because most of them is from the drugstore. Girl, nobody got time to be in Sephora all day. Okay, listen. These drugstore products be doing it. Everybody want to talk about, oh, your makeup from drugstore. Yes, and the beauty supply. What's up? What you gonna say? But it's kind of embarrassing, because, like, who knows? Maybe if y'all want a freaking tutorial on how I do my everyday drugstore look, leave a comment down below. Y'all know the deal. Like, stop playing with me. I'm sweating. Do you sweat when you drink? Do you? Girl, because I know I do. Why? I love my natural hair. I really do. But before I cut it, people ask me questions like, you don't ever wear your natural hair out. Da, 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 da. Girl, I'll sweat my hair out in 2.5 seconds. It doesn't matter what style my hair is. If it's a hot day, if it's sunny outside, I will sweat it out. By the time I get home, I'ma look crazy. Don't nobody got time to do that. That's why I be throwing on wigs, okay? I love my hair. Black people hair? Hold up, let me pour some more. Pour some more. Why am I laughing? Let me pour some more. Go. Y'all hear that? I love black people hair. It don't even matter what kind of hair you have. I love it. 4C? Oh, baby. 4B? Oh, wow. 4A? Wow. Oh. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. 4C is my favorite because them little tight curls, they be doing something to me. My mom used to take me African dance classes, African art places. All my dolls was black, like, and I still have a lot of them. I have a lot of them to this day. Like, don't play with me. You think I'm lying to you? I have a breast doll right here. She's black. Grew up with her. I'm not throwing it away. I don't care how old I am. Love beautiful black people. Shout out to all you beautiful black people. Oh my god, I love y'all. I'm not so angry. Y'all probably like, she's mad. No, baby, I'm excited. I'm talking a lot. I'm probably the most annoying person to get drunk with. We gotta keep going because in a second I'm about to not be able to do this. All right, so we gonna try to contour a little. I'm gonna try to do a little bit on my nose. But I really want to talk about, you know, people, judgmental people in general, conservative people, I guess, if that's what you call them. I don't know what they are, but people who love to judge other people about what they do. Mind your business. My thing is, people who love to talk about other people. This goes for all of you messy ass. Like, why are you so bothered? Like, men who be mad at girls for doing whatever they want to do, or dressing how they want to do, or dating who they want to date. Like, anybody who dates who they want to date, whether they're straight, bi, gay, all of that. My thing is, why does it bother everyone so much? It really just makes me so uncomfortable because y'all are just too invested in other people's sex lives and their preferences. I'm judging you. That is so weird to me. Like, ugh, why do you care so much? That's nasty. I don't like that. I don't like that. Like, if somebody doing something and it don't have nothing to do with me, I probably won't have that much of an opinion on it. Like, baby, there's more for you in this life. All shade, all tea. Please gather yourself, get a hold of yourself. Y'all see this big ass pimple? That's dusty. Anyway, my pimple's dusty, not your pimple. Just know that. I really hope I'm doing this okay. Oh my god, I didn't even think this was gonna be so hard. I'm like, oh, people be extra out. We're gonna blend it out. We're gonna blend it out. But yeah, learn to mind your business. The world would be such a better place. I really don't care about other people's lives that much to even have an opinion on what somebody's doing. So why do you? And yelling cut when it's shooting time. Okay. I really didn't think this is gonna be this hard. So next time I do is put on some lashes. This right here is finna be a struggle. Cause right now, I'm there. Okay, let's try it. Let's just go for it. Lashes, baby. You better get your little stick with some glue on it like this. And put it over them lashes and then stick them lashes on, girl. The struggle be real. And so the next thing you want to do is let them dry. This glue dry clear, but I'm just doing me a little light beat because I don't think I'm gonna be able to do all the extras while I'm like this. Okay, so we gonna try to put this lash on. Now this is about to be a problem because I struggle normally to put lashes on, but we gonna try. All right, here we go. Oh, I think it might be going on. Okay, wait. It went on. Oh my, it's so far away from the lash line. Ooh. Okay. The other one before this shit dry. Ooh, this one hard. I'm trying to put it as close to the lash line. Ah, y'all see all that glue sticking to my nail? Oh my god, we did it. We did it. Yeah. Let me put some powder on my upper lip. I got that 5 o'clock shadow. And let me put some underneath my chin. Because like I said, I got that 5 o'clock shadow. So now what I'm about to do is get my blush. Black girls look great in blush, baby. Y'all look so pretty in blush. Y'all are so pretty. We getting that rush in there. We bringing the color back. Hopefully it don't look crazy. Hopefully when I'm editing, it don't look absolutely nuts. Hold up. The highlight. So you already know we gotta get the highlight up in there. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of my nose. And then we gonna get this little fluffy fluff brush. And we're just gonna put it on the sides. Even though this is not the best you use for highlight. But guess what we using the dust today? I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead. That forehead is shining and girl, you dying. Basically, I'm done. I forgot a lot of the routine that I do because it's not even really usually how I do my makeup. Shout out to everybody who do videos like this because this is not easy. Your girl is lit, tipsy, all of the above, but guess what? I mean my face while lit. Can you do that? If you can, leave me a link because I want to see. These lashes was probably the hardest thing to do. And my eyebrows. Come back because I like you. I like spending time with you. What's up? I'm being straight up with you. I'm being very forward. What's up? By the end of this is all I drank. This is everything that I drank. I know to y'all it probably don't look like a lot, but to me this is a lot, baby. And guess what? I'm finna do? Eat. I'm finna give you some food. I'm about to eat. I'm about to eat. Hold on, let me get the area ready. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna go. Cause I'm pretty sure y'all tired of me. But I just want to really thank all of y'all for watching this video. If you do watch this video, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Me and you are not friends. So if we friends now, make sure you leave a like, a comment down below. Say something because girl, guess what? I'm gonna respond because guess what? We friends now. Because you sat here and listened to me talk about absolute nothing. So that means that me and you are friends and we are meant to be in each other's lives. So that means you have to subscribe. That means you have to subscribe. That means you have to like this video. That means you have to leave a comment. And that means you have to follow me on my social media. Period. Because we are friends now, and that's what friends do. They support each other. I really mess with y'all. I'm happy to see y'all. And make sure to I don't know what I'm gonna say right there, but just be you, be beautiful, be great, be amazing. October and all the months to come are gonna bring you success, money, everything you want, abundance, a confidence, everything you want. Just speak that into existence, and guess what, girl, baby girl, it's gonna come to you, period, point, motherfucking blank. And thank you. This is how I am when I'm drunk. This is how I think on the daily, and this is what comes out when I talk. I'm sorry if it annoys you, but not really. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said again and again, because it really helps me out. Share this video with anybody who you think would be interested in watching it, and I hope you pop a bottle and start drinking with me, baby. I feel so much love towards all of y'all right now, especially you women, because y'all are beautiful. Thanks for watching. Cup is empty. Okay, the wine bottle, it ain't empty. I ain't even gonna lie, because baby, your girl is 4'11". But we did the best we could. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta go pee. I have to pee. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. See y'all next time.